guys, I'm just going to show you something today, and I think this is a common thing, especially maybe in the cold season, where you want to put when you want to put some air on your tire, and then you find out that every time you put some air in there, and then when you pull it out, it starts like blowing air. What you should do to avoid that, because once you add air to your tire, then you find every time you let it out like that, it starts letting out air. So you just use something like a flat screw, and then just tap once, then it should be able to seal it up. So guys, this is the guy which this is the thing which has the issue right here. Normally what happens is once you put inside the air, the thing gets stuck inside. So the best way just to help it out for now, guys, is just like every time you put air, make sure you have something like a screwdriver or anything, so that once you put your air in there, and then you can just slash it in, let it out. Also, you can have like a WD-40, just spray it in there. You should be able to fix it. For now, just let it smooth up, so that next time when you put air inside there, it should not be able to have a problem. Once you put there, once you let it out, you don't hear anything out. So I hope the video helps you guys. Stay safe out there while you drive. See you next time.